are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share. Welcome back to Afza's world. Today we are going to make a Christmas tree out of pista shells. So the things you will need for this craft are pista shells, glue, green color paint, candy wrappers, Oreo biscuit like cut out like this, and some star stickers, 2 brushes, 1 scissors, and a bag, and that's it, and styrofoam balls to decorate as the balls we hang on the Christmas tree. So first I'm going to make the cone. You can use any type of thick paper, but I'm using a paper bag. So first thing we need to do is cut this off the paper bag. I have already cut it off on this other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it like this. For making it simple, I'm just going to fold it a little bit so I will know where to cut and where to don't cut. I cut the paper, now I'm going to turn it into a cone. Paste the glue here.
Paste the glue here.
So guys, now it looks like a Christmas tree, but not yet. It needs some decorating. So let's color the pista shells with the green color so we can put it on the Christmas tree. So my brother is helping me paint the pista shells with green color. So now we are going to paste the pista shells on the paper cone. So guys, we just finished sticking the pista shells on the cone. Now we are going to decorate it with some styrofoam balls like these ones. a Oreo cardboard like this and roll it into a cylinder. Then take a cardboard piece like this. Take the glue and stick it on the cardboard square. So now apply the glue on the and take the Christmas tree. Now take the Christmas tree and I am going to stick the star on the tree. I'm going to take the red star. Now cut the candy wrapper to decorate.
See how beautiful it is, this small Christmas tree. Thanks for watching and please try this at home.